Model 2018 Renault Master LM35 Business 2.3 DCI Euro 6 ULEZ Fridge Van Body, white, panel van mileage, 220705 MOT, 3 May 2024 Engine, 2298 CCM 90 DCI 130 E6 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox and clutch are perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing, fully working fridge, condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Nice clean fully working ULEZ compliant fridge van features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.